Now here's something you probably don't know. You don't make profit from your ads. Now most self-publishers get this wrong. They set up their ads with the aim to make profit, and then they fail and don't make any profit. I've spent over $123,000 on ads, and my best month was $52,000. You can see here in December, $52,000, and the ad spend was about $25,000. So it's about 20 grand profit. Okay. I'm going to tell you how to actually make profit from ads. My students are using this right now. Genevieve here has made nearly $2,000 profit last month from ads. She's using my very, very simple system. And that's what I'm going to share with you now. If you just want to grab the whole system, I'll leave a link below. Okay, so let's get started. Organic profit. Let's move me over here. Okay. Firstly, you don't make money from your ads. You make money from organic sales. But you can't get organic sales without ads. It's kind of like a catch-22. You need ads to get organic sales. You don't really make money from your ads. You make money from your organic sales. You can't make organic sales without your ads. It's the way Amazon set up, because at the top of it, Amazon want to make the most money, right? So if you think of it like this, let me do it in blue. This is when you're making money, and this is when you're investing money. Now, it's a good mindset to have, that you're not losing money on ads. You're investing money, and let me show you why. Let's just say you got a book for teens, yeah? You got a book for teens. You're advertising for the keyword book for teens. So when someone types in book for teens, you want your book to be up the top. Let me show you that real quick, actually. So this is the Amazon page here. Someone types in here, book for teens, and you see all these books that appear up the top. They're the sponsored ones. They're the ones paying to be there. You want to pay to be there, yeah? So you're paying for when someone searches this. Yeah. And then you start making sales. So you're down here, you're investing money, making sales, but you're not making any profit, because you invest in, say, $1 per click. Every 10, 20 clicks, someone buys your book. So you might spend $10 or $20 to get one sale, and that one sale may only be $7. So you're not making profit yet. So how do you actually make profit? Well, if you keep selling for that keyword, book for teens, Amazon's noticing this. Amazon keeps seeing your book selling for this. It will start showing you more organically. So if you imagine all the books below the sponsored books, you see these ones appearing on the page here. They're being shown by Amazon organically. They're not paying to be there. Okay, so when you start selling your book, you start advertising, you start selling. You might be on page 2, 3, 10, 58, somewhere down there. Right? You need to be on the first page, because who goes past page 1, right? So if you keep selling for book for teens, Amazon sees your book as a book for teens and starts bringing you up. You might end up here, and then eventually end up here, and that's prime spot there. Now, when someone buys your book here, it's all profit for you, because you didn't pay to be there. But you can only end up here because you were selling consistently here. So to bring me back to my first point I made in this video, you don't make money from ads. You make money from organic sales, but you need ads to rank organically. And if you want to know more about this, I'll leave a link to my course below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Cheers.